Hey everyone, imagine a dish so colorful and tasty it's like a party in your mouth. That's bibimbap. It's a super popular Korean dish and it means mixed rice. But it's way more than just rice. It's a mix of fresh veggies, yummy meat, and a spicy kick. Bibimbap isn't just yummy, it's also a cool example of how Koreans think about food. It's all about balanced sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, and using fresh ingredients. It's also presented beautifully. It's often served in a hot stone bowl called a dolsot, which makes the rice at the bottom crispy. It's a treat for your taste buds and your eyes. Whether you're a food expert or just starting to explore Korean food, you've got to try bibimbap. The best part about bibimbap is all the different things in it. Each ingredient adds its own special flavor and texture. Let's see what makes bibimbap so special. Rice. This is the base of our dish. Fluffy white rice is like a blank canvas for all the colorful toppings. Vegetables. A rainbow of veggies makes it fresh and crunchy. Think thin carrot strips, spinach, bean sprouts, mushrooms, and more. They're all cooked lightly so they stay colorful and healthy. Meat for protein, we often use thinly sliced beef called bulgogi. It's marinated in a sweet and savory sauce. You can also use chicken, pork, or tofu. Gochujang. This is a Korean chili paste. It's the secret ingredient that makes bibimbap spicy and gives it a deep, rich flavor. A fried egg on top adds richness and more protein. The runny yolk mixes in and makes a creamy sauce. Ready to make your own bibimbap? Here's how. Prep your ingredients. Wash and chop your veggies. Marinate your meat or get your tofu ready. Cook your rice. Cook the toppings. Cook each veggie and the meat separately in a pan. Add a little salt and pepper. This makes sure each ingredient keeps its own flavor. Assemble your bibimbap. Put a scoop of rice in a hot stone bowl or a regular bowl. Arrange the toppings on top of the rice to make it look colorful and yummy. Add the finishing touches, put a fried egg on top, a spoonful of gochujang and some sesame seeds, mix and enjoy. Mix everything together with chopsticks or a spoon. Make sure the gochujang gets mixed in well. The hot bowl will cook the egg and make the rice crispy. Now take a bite and enjoy all the flavors. You can make bibimbap just how you like it. One of the coolest things about bibimbap is that you can change it up. Add extra veggies like zucchini, bell peppers or kimchi. Use tofu instead of meat if you want a vegetarian bibimbap. Marinate it in soy sauce, garlic and ginger. Add more or less gochujang to make it as spicy as you want. You can even add Korean chili flakes called gochugaru for extra heat. Try different sauces like sesame oil, soy sauce or a squeeze of lime juice. Bibimbap is easy to make vegetarian. Just skip the meat and add other protein-rich ingredients. Pan-fried tofu is a great choice. You can also crumble firm tofu over your bibimbap. Tempeh, made from soybeans, adds a nutty flavor. Marinate it like tofu or crumble it and cook it with your veggies. Eggs are also a good source of protein. Use one or two, it's up to you. Cooked lentils or beans like mung beans or black beans make your vegetarian bibimbap even heartier. Bibimbap is more than just a meal, it's a taste of Korean culture. It shows how important balance, fresh ingredients, and beautiful presentation are in Korean cooking. Whether you eat it at a restaurant in Seoul or make it at home, bibimbap is a fun and easy way to try the delicious flavors of Korea. So grab your ingredients, get cooking, and get ready for a flavor adventure with bibimbap.